What it do, baby? No, I'm playing. Yo, what's up, guys? All right, I'm on my way to get the Bose 700 AA. So these headphones are not only very expensive, but they are sold out everywhere. So we are on our way to get it. I heard these headphones are the best headphones. They call it the King headphones. We gonna see. I was very impressed with my Pro Beats, and of course you already see what I got on. But like I said, these are just for the casuals. Like I said, beat my last video. But we gonna see about these Kings. Mission accomplished. We got our goal. I'm out of breath because DC parking, you already know how it is. You gotta do your thing, be in and out. You know, I ain't gonna say too much, but if you live in DC or you know about a big city, you already know what time it is. So, I got the 700s. I paid a lot for it. I heard some good reviews about it in the line. People was talking about it. I had to drive about like 30 minutes to get over here at this mall. But hey, I did it. We got it. And here comes the review.
All right, guys, I'm back. Let's get this thing started. Y'all see what we got here. All right, let's get this started. Got these little protective stuff right here. Let's go peel that off. And let's see what we got here. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna take this one out. What up, Bose? Okay. We got the manual right here. Take this right on out. Hey, we got this main thing right here. Hey. Dang. Alright, so when you first feel this stuff, man, it feels amazing. It feels light, real comfortable right here. Real comfortable, nice padding. Right and your left, you got nice patterns around the ears. You got a nice pattern right here. It just feels real smooth, real good. Look like you got your Bluetooth stuff right here. Your Bluetooth button right here. Your charge point. Man, this stuff looks great. What else we got? Well, guess this is about it. Alright, about to go try these on. Whoa, these feels real comfortable, man. I can't even hear myself. These feel real light, real comfortable, man. I like this. I said this about the Beats Pro. I can't even hear myself. I said this about the Beats Pro, but man, yo, these joints look real cool, man. I wear these out in public, yo. You wanna talk about the AirPods? Yo, these look dope for real. They got a cool look. They feel great. I gotta play some sound for y'all. I'm gonna explain to you guys about these headphones. So right here is real soft, as you guys can see. It's real soft right here. Got right, left, your buttons right here. I guess I gotta hold this down for Bluetooth. Let me do that right now. Yep, and as you see, there's a light blinking. Ooh, y'all heard that? I know y'all heard that. Yep, and there you go, right there. Oh, it's talking too. Oh, that's pretty cool. I'm tripping. Let me put these on. Oh, it said my name connected to my iPhone. They weigh 0.56 pounds, very light. 11 levels of noise cancellation. USB-C port. Let me tell you about these buttons. You can double tap to play or pause, double tap to answer calls, tap and hold for 1 second to reject the call, swipe up or down for the volume, swipe forward to fast forward, or swipe back to rewind. And these things right here, they're touch based. I've never had that experience before where I put on a pair of headphones and it was that quiet or that silent, unless you put on those, you know, earbuds such as the Power Beats Pro, because they're like jammed into your eardrum. Of course you can't hear anything, but these muffs, wow. I was fanboying out. I'm not a fanboy, but I love any product that says what it does, and I'm just like, yo, that's crazy. Let me know what y'all think. Do y'all want this? It cost me for like 400 bucks. Yeah, but if y'all can afford this, and if y'all want some serious sound, okay, Bose, I see you, Bose. You in my car, you kind of messing me up with your GPS, but the audio, I respect the audio now. Let me know what y'all think. Comment down below, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you watching. I'm gonna come with more stuff. You never know what I can bring. You never know what I could review.